restore the glory of Shiva and Parvati, to restore the glory of Lakshmi and Vishnu, to restore the glory of Saraswati and Brahma, to restore the glory of every saint, every noble couple. Ending the male chauvinism at home, slavery of a woman forever to the male, ending that story of the slavery, a gender imparity. Vedanta says, Varnam Varjitam, Lingam Varjitam. Whether you read Patanjali, whether you read any text of yoga, you will find there is no criteria of the gender at all. Both are the same. There is no segregation can be done ever on the basis of the gender. Based on no permission can be denied based on female or a male. No permission. Kingdoms are ruled by the women. Monastic disciplines are taught by the women. Like Vidyadhari, like Parashakti. The legacy of the female as initiators, the entire existence in India considered as the journey of the father and mother started with the Holy Spirit. The story of the father itself began in the Holy Spirit. There's a story in India, Parashakti. The Indus Valley civilization tells the same. So, entire India today forgets a woman can walk into the temple today